How to fix TikTok live option not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you cannot find the TikTok live button on your profile, here is what can be done. First of all, let's understand the requirements. Make sure your TikTok account is at least 16-year-old and live streaming is restricted for younger users. Also, you need at least 1000 followers to unlock the live feature. If you have met the requirements still did not get the button, here are the ways to fix it. First of all, you need to update the TikTok to the latest version. Head over to your app store and then search for TikTok. If there is an update button available, make sure to tap on it. However, if this does not work, head over to your TikTok, log out of your account and then log back into your account again. This way it will refresh the settings and you should be good to go. If this does not work, head over to Settings and Privacy and then scroll down to find the option of Cache and Mobile. From there, tap on the second option which says Free Up Space. Tapping on it, tap on the Clear button next to Cache. This way you will also clear the app cache. However, if the live option still does not show, you might have to uninstall the app once and reinstall it. If you meet all the requirements but still cannot go live, you can contact the TikTok support through Report a Problem settings of your settings and privacy. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.